Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Vaishali Kohli. Now, Galgotia's university staff and officials have vacated their stall at India AI Impact Summit Expo following the row over display of Chinese-made RoboDog. As per sources, the government had asked Galgotia's university to vacate the stall at the expo. The development comes as the university faced massive backlash on social media after the robotic dog displayed at its booth as an in-house innovation was identified as a commercially available Chinese product. My colleague Arzu Seth has filed a ground report. Let's take a look.
The university now surrounds with the controversy, and as you can see the fresh visuals from the Galgotia's stall, and the students and the teachers, professors are now going from the Galgotia's university, and the entire stall has been closed now, and also will try to आप दिए जाएंगे अभी के लिए हम आप लोग जा रहे हैं. So clearly, as you can see, now the university is now closing up their stall from this Bharat Mandapam AI Impact Summit, as the Chinese robot controversy that has erupted, and as you can see, the power supply has been cut at the stall of the Galgotia's university. The barricading has been put up. The black barricading, as you can clearly see, has been put up, and nobody is allowed to go inside. The closer can clearly be seen. The students have gone from the from the camp, from the stall. The professors have now gone, and we can clearly see the empty stall. The creations that the students have made, the innovations that the students have done, have brought at this particular place, have now been removed, and this is the particular robot which has now become the point, talking point today itself, and the controversy erupted because of this robot, as the university claimed that it's made in India, but yes, it was a Chinese robot which was claimed as India made by the university. So definitely the controversy has erupted, and now the stall has been emptied by the university has moved from the stall, and we only can see the empty stalls at the AI summit of which is happening right now at the Bharat Mandapam. So the Galgotia's university now facing the embarrassment because of the controversy that erupted, and now student professionals have moved from here and have gone from here. I'm Arzu Seth, video journalist.